Hello, everyone. It's a beautiful Friday. It's also Release Friday here at Upkeep, where we bring you the latest, greatest feature updates that our team has been hard at work on every single week. My name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at Upkeep. Welcome to 2024. This is our first release of the entire year, and I'm excited to announce two of these big features that our team has been hard at work on. The first step is automated workflows. You may already use this right now, but this is one of my favorite features in the entire Upkeep application. It's on the Business Plus plan where you, our customers, can fully customize your workflow depending on your company needs. For example, you can set up triggers that auto-approve requests with a high priority, or you can assign a specific technician to a work order if it has an electrical category tag assigned on it. This week, we've added even more functionality to our automated workflows, where right now you can actually start to set up workflows for if the description of a work order or a request contains certain words. This can be especially helpful if, let's say, a description has words like electrical, mechanical, damage. Then you can assign it to a specific person, assign different tags, or auto approve a request. This is an absolute game changer that has helped thousands of our customers save so much time. So if you get a chance, check it out. On top of that, the second big release that we've made is asset schedules. You asked for it and we listened. We understand that your operation in your facility is running daily schedules with planned times for operation. You may have holidays that might not operate at a certain night shift, for example. Or perhaps you want to schedule maintenance during scheduled downtime or track how many operating hours you've lost due to breakdown maintenance. Now, with asset schedules, it's possible in Upkeep. As you can tell, we've been making so much progress to help you better manage your assets and also automate some of your manual tasks within Upkeep. So I'm going to pass the baton over to Natasha from our team to showcase exactly how it works within Upkeep so you can start using it today. Natasha?
Great. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you for watching today. I'm Natasha, joining from the product team. So we're going to go ahead and jump into Upkeep. So the first new feature we're going to look at is our automated workflows. We're going to navigate into settings, come over to our automation section, and we're going to go ahead and create a new workflow. So we're going to do requester description contains. And we're really focused on the word damaged here. So when a request is created, or if a request is created, and the request description contains the word damaged, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to auto assign the damage category to that particular request. Okay, now we're going to come over to our request portal. So maybe I'm a contractor and I'm submitting information to my partner. Here on the left-hand side, I've got my requester information already filled out. The problem we have right now is we've got a broken door in building 6. So we're going to go ahead and add the detail of the lock is damaged. And then we're going to go ahead and submit the request. Oh, so now if we come back over into Upkeep and we come look at our requests, we're going to see, just a second. All right, we've got the broken door in building 6, and we've also automatically assigned this category of damage. So just really nice automation to have fewer clicks, get the right information assigned without needing to be a burden on your team, and ultimately allowing your team to facilitate and act on tickets more quickly. All right, and now we're going to switch over to our second feature, our brand new asset schedules. So again, we're going to come down into our settings section. We're going to navigate to assets. We have a brand new tab here for operating hours. So you can see I've got a couple of schedules set up here already. We're going to create a new schedule. So let's do a Monday. Let's do an evening schedule. And we're going to make that from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay, so next we're going to select Monday. We'll start the schedule at 5 p.m. It's going to end at 11 p.m. So a couple of things to point out here. If you have schedules or shift work, maybe you run 2 schedules a day, maybe you run, 3 8 by 24 schedules for a full 24-hour schedule. You have the ability to basically stagger schedules in here or customize them to whatever your business needs are. Maybe your team takes a break from the day shift to the night shift, and you want to leave an hour for for a dinner break in there, but lots of customization and flexibility to meet whatever your business's specific needs are. So I'm going to go ahead and do create schedule. So we now see the evening schedule here. And now we're going to come back into our main web application. We're going to look at assets. So I'm going to take a peek at this asset. Go ahead and hit edit. You can see here, I actually already have a schedule. We have a new section for operating hours. I have the Friday day schedule assigned to this asset. I'm going to go ahead and assign the Monday evening schedule to this asset instead. And if we now go ahead and do save changes, okay, so now we see, so now this asset is associated to that particular schedule. And we're going to go ahead, this is going to automatically update the downtime calculations and the uptime calculations for this particular asset. So just really accurate reporting against exactly how well your machines are running. All right, and with that, Ryan, I'll hand it back to you.
All right, those are some pretty big releases for this week. And if you haven't already, go into Upkeep and check out these new features yourself and let us know what you think. Please, please, please provide us feedback. We're constantly improving. And with that, that's everything for this week's release. Thank you to you, our customers, the entire Upkeep team for working so hard to deliver more value, more features every single week to all of our customers. We are not slowing down. I'll see you next Friday. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everyone.